How's it going, my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be entering into Panda-Frog's giveaway, and to do that we have to pick a lock and guess the weight and height of his son at his first checkout. Now I'm just going to put that in the description below because I haven't, at the time of this recording, I haven't decided what it is yet, so I'm just going to be completely transparent with you guys. So if you want to see my guesses, go read them down in the description, but today we're going to be picking this Master Lock Pro Series with a best core in it. I feel like a freaking gunslinger doing that. So we can see we got the two keys. We got the control key and we got the operating key. Now, interesting enough, this doesn't say operating on here, but it does say control on here. You would think you would say that, but I don't know. But you can see the key does work for the operating, and then for control, it does take the core out. Now, this was given to me by Dusty and Wendy. Actually, I bought the lock body from Dusty and Wendy, and he threw in the core. But the core originally comes from Amgart. Amgart? I don't know how to pronounce that. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and kick this video off, and let's get this party started. Alrighty, Master Lock Pro Series. We got the control key. That'll take the lock out of the core. You can see the control lug does work. And we'll get this out. And we want this key. This is the operating key. You can see the pin stacks in there. This is for verification that it is a legit one, and we're going to pick this to both shear lines, but to be a little bit unique, I haven't seen people do this. Now, bear in mind, if this doesn't work, then scrap everything I said. We're going to try attaching my, I normally have this to my vise. I'm going to try to attach it to this and see if we get any good feedback. Hopefully don't get a lot of alright. Hopefully we don't get a lot of, I guess, feedback from it. I'm looking for, just to see if it's a viable thing. So we're going to go for operating first. So we're going for this top pin, pin 1, if I can get it. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. And now we should go to this back pin, maybe. And let's see what's. And we're getting some good feedback when I'm just sucking and picking this thing right now. Of course, it doesn't want to cooperate when we're on camera. That would be too much to ask for. There we go. So we got it to operating. And let's lock this back up, and we're going to go to control next. Just my glasses. Where did that camera's blocking the tension wrench? So this is working out pretty good. I'm actually fairly surprised that this. I literally just like grabbed it. Was like, oh, I wonder if this will work, and it does. So that's good. Good to know for future videos. Now, you can see for the key, we go for 1, 3, and then the last pin. If we've properly set. One, 2, 3. check one. One, two, three. I feel like it's three. One, two, three. One, two. Come on. Work with me. Restart. Because I think we overset something. Because I think I should have gotten it by then. Pin 3 does not want to cooperate with me for some reason. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 2, 3. Okay, there we go. I think that was good. Why is this not wanting to cooperate? Alright, we're just sucking now. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3. There's a 3. Back pin. See, there we go. Core's out. See, it just needed a little bit of coercion. You know, I'll show you guys. This is why I prefer to go for control off the bat, because you can just go in here, if I can find my tension wrench. You can see here, I can just go like this, twist that, and now we have the thing open. So not only do you get the lock open, but you also get the core out if you were actually trying to pick this in a realistic scenario. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations on your son reaching 1 Panda-Frog, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.